Do you know what the richest 1% all have in common? They mastered just one milestone, stacking their first 10K. Hit that number and every money door swings wide, faster than you think. I'll prove it, step by step, in the next 8 minutes. Reaching your first $10,000 in savings is a significant milestone on your financial journey, marking the transition from merely surviving to thriving. This achievement not only boosts your confidence, but also opens the door to new opportunities for growth and investment. In this video, we will explore what happens after you hit that 10K mark, diving into the strategies that can help you leverage this foundation for greater financial success. From understanding the power of compound interest to exploring smart investment options, we'll guide you through the next steps that can elevate your financial game. Whether you're looking to build an emergency fund, invest in your future, or simply gain peace of mind, this milestone is just the beginning. Join us as we uncover the significance of reaching this savings goal and how it can set the stage for a prosperous financial future. Saving your first $10,000 can trigger a profound psychological shift in your relationship with money. This milestone often instills newfound confidence in your financial decision-making, empowering you to approach future choices with a sense of security. No longer feeling like you're merely scraping by, you begin to adopt an abundance mentality, recognizing that financial growth is not only possible, but achievable. This shift allows you to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles, encouraging you to take calculated risks in investments and savings. As your mindset evolves, you become more proactive about your financial future, setting higher savings goals and exploring diverse investment options. This transformation not only enhances your financial literacy, but also fosters a sense of empowerment, enabling you to navigate the complexities of personal finance with greater ease and assurance. Embracing this new perspective can lead to a more fulfilling and prosperous financial journey ahead. An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account designed to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Its primary purpose is to provide financial security and peace of mind during unforeseen circumstances. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in your emergency fund, which means that your $10,000 can serve as a solid foundation for this crucial financial safety net. By allocating a portion of your savings to an emergency fund, you create a buffer that allows you to navigate life's uncertainties without derailing your financial stability. This proactive approach not only protects you from potential debt, but also fosters a sense of confidence in your ability to handle unexpected challenges. Knowing that you have funds set aside for emergencies can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, enabling you to focus on your long-term financial goals with greater clarity and assurance. Saving your first $10,000 not only provides a safety net, but also opens the door to a variety of investment options that can help grow your wealth over time. With this amount, you can explore investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, each offering unique benefits and risks. Stocks can provide high returns but come with volatility, while bonds offer more stability with lower returns. Mutual funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals, making them an excellent choice for beginners. Diversification is crucial in investing, as it helps spread risk across different asset classes, reducing the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Before diving into investments, it's essential to assess your risk tolerance, which reflects your comfort level with potential losses. By understanding your financial goals and risk appetite, you can make informed decisions that align with your investment strategy and pave the way for future growth. Using your $10,000 savings to tackle existing debts can significantly improve your financial health and set you on a path to freedom. One effective strategy is to prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit card balances, which can accumulate quickly and hinder your financial progress. By eliminating these debts, you reduce the amount of interest paid over time, freeing up more money for savings and investments. Two popular methods for debt repayment are the snowball and avalanche strategies. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, providing quick wins and motivation, while the avalanche method targets the highest interest debts first, saving you more money in the long run. Regardless of the method you choose, the long-term benefits of being debt-free are substantial. Achieving this goal not only enhances your credit score, but also allows you to redirect funds towards savings and investments, ultimately leading to greater financial stability and peace of mind. After saving your first $10,000, it's essential to set new financial goals that can guide your journey toward greater financial success. Establishing both short-term and long-term goals is crucial for maintaining motivation and direction. Short-term goals might include building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or paying off a specific debt, while long-term goals could involve purchasing a home, funding your children's education, or preparing for retirement. For example, you might aim to save for a down payment on a house within the next few years, or contribute regularly to a retirement account to ensure a comfortable future. To achieve these goals, it's important to create a detailed plan that outlines the steps you need to take, including budgeting, saving strategies, and timelines. By setting clear, achievable financial goals, you can stay focused and make informed decisions that align with your aspirations, ultimately leading to a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Saving your first $10,000 is just the beginning of your wealth-building journey. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is compound interest, which allows your money to grow exponentially over time. By investing your savings in vehicles such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, you can take advantage of this phenomenon, where the interest earned on your investments generates even more interest. This long-term investing approach can significantly increase your wealth, especially when you start early and remain consistent. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to think about various wealth-building strategies, such as diversifying your investment portfolio and setting up automatic contributions to your accounts. Additionally, continuous learning about personal finance is crucial. Staying informed about market trends, investment options, and financial planning can empower you to make better decisions. By embracing these principles, you can build a solid foundation for long-term financial success and security. In summary, reaching your first $10,000 in savings marks a significant milestone that can lead to transformative changes in your financial journey. We discussed the psychological shift that occurs, empowering you to make confident financial decisions and adopt an abundance mentality. Additionally, we explored essential financial strategies, such as establishing an emergency fund, tackling existing debts, and setting new financial goals. Remember, this initial savings is just the beginning. Leveraging compound interest in long-term investing can pave the way for building lasting wealth. As you move forward, keep these key takeaways in mind. Prioritize high-interest debt repayment, diversify your investments, and continuously educate yourself about personal finance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can foster a community focused on achieving financial success and empowerment. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable financial content.